I don't know if it's just me or you guys. Also notice that whenever there's a new episode, there's packet loss and higher ping issues in Valorant on every single time. If you also face the same issues, don't worry. I got your back. If you follow the steps that I show you in this video, your packet loss and ping issues will be solved. If you follow the steps I'm going to show next, I promise you that you will get 0% packet loss and a lower stable ping. Only 0.6% of you are subscribed, so yeah, do subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Okay, so let's get over with the super basic stuff. First up is unplug your router and turn it back off after 30 seconds. That is restarting your router. Second thing, if you are on Wi-Fi, try using Ethernet if you can. And third thing is use less devices on the same network. If your Wi-Fi is being used by multiple devices, limit the number of devices. So Valorant can get enough bandwidth. Okay, so if you have done all this and there are still packet loss and ping issues, let's move on to some actual stuff. Okay, go to your search bar and type Control Panel in here. Go for Network and Internet Settings, and now Network and Sharing Center, then click on Change Adapter Settings in here. This is my connection. As you can see, just right. Click and go to Properties in here. If, in your case, IPv6 is selected and IPv4 is not selected, go ahead and check IPv4 and unselect IPv6. Once it is done, hit OK. Next thing, what you can do is obviously go to Properties again in here, double click on IPv4, and you will open up Properties and you have to change your DNS here. So just check, use the following DNS server address, and in here put 8.8.8.8, and on the alternate DNS server put 8.8.4.4. So okay, this DNS is for Google. And there's another DNS that is for Cloudflare. You can actually compare the speed by going to command prompt. Just type cmd run as admin and just type ping 8.8.8.8. Okay, then just type ping 1.1.1.1. Okay, so as you can see, my average is lower for the Cloudflare DNS, whereas for Google DNS, it is higher. So obviously, I'm going to choose the lower one. So let's select the 1.1.1.1, and on the alternate DNS, you have to set it to 1.0. 0.1 hit, okay? And then you can go ahead and restart your PC. Next thing, go to the search bar and type cmd again, run as admin, and then just type ipconfig /flush DNS, successfully flush the DNS resolve cache. As you can see, this restores connectivity. Issues barely affect speed, but basically connectivity issues are resolved, so you can just go ahead and flush your DNS. Next thing is go to the search bar again this time, type firewall, and you will see allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click this option and try to find the Riot client here. As you can see, I have Riot client already added. And just in case you do not have Riot client added, you can just click change settings, go to allow another app, and then locate the Riot client. Go ahead and locate the Riot client and add it here. Once it is added, you can just go ahead and click OK, and then it will be done. Another thing is to close background apps. I mean the ones that are eating up your network resources. Like if you have Steam or OneDrive running in the background, you can just go ahead and close them if you no longer need them. Let's just go to Task Manager and you will find every single task here. So let's see if we have OneDrive running. We don't have OneDrive running because I just close it every single time. And we do not have Stream running in the background. But if you have any of those apps running in the background that might be eating your network resources, go ahead and close them. One more thing is go to Google, go to Settings, and in here you will see System. So this option is on by default. So go ahead and close this, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Go ahead and close this one if you do all this and it still doesn't work, which is not likely to happen at all because these settings will actually fix this. But just in case, if it doesn't help, just go to the search bar and type reset and you will see network reset here. Go ahead and press this reset. Now button it can resolve many underlying issues and bring back network to its initial state. Now that you have fixed your packet loss and ping issue, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.